Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine and safe at home. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to do EVS. Yes, and today's topic is chapter number 11, My Neighborhood Safety Rules. Now, what do you understand from this? That we are going to study today safety rules. Whenever we are going outside of our house, and if we are riding a bicycle or if we are walking by the road, what all safety we must keep in mind. And also there are some rules and regulations. Do you all know about the traffic light? Yes, you have studied it in your previous class. Traffic light. Then you have red, which means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go. Right? So those are the small things. So small things we are going to understand today in this chapter. So take out page number 45. Page number 45, chapter number 11, My Neighborhood Safety Rules. I have never had an accident. Why? Because I always follow the safety rules. These are the rules I always follow. On road, I always walk on the footpath. I never play on the road. I always cross the road at the zebra crossing. I cross the road only when the pedestrian light is green. As at the bus stop, I wait in a queue. I don't push anybody while getting into the bus. I never try to get into a moving bus. I am careful not to lean out of the window of a moving bus. Turn your pages to page number 46. At home, I do not play with sharp things. I never stand on the footboard while traveling in a bus. I don't touch electric switches or wires with wet hands. I don't run about carelessly on the stairs while swimming. I never go alone for a swim. There is always an older person with me. While playing, I always play in the park or in the playground. I never play with a matchbox. If you also want to be safe, then follow these safety rules strictly. Yes. So kids, this is related to your chapter. Now, if you come to page number 47, on the top you can see that there are some symbols. Let us learn what these symbols stand for. Can you see the first symbol? This means school ahead. The next symbol means no parking. Then we have this means no horn. This means no entry. This means pedestrian crossing, and this means there is a railway crossing ahead. These signs are made to control the traffic and avoid accidents. So we should know what they stand for and follow them. So kids, do you know that when your parents, they are going for driving tests, they are always told to study all these rules and regulations. Only then you can drive, okay? So you being kids also, you should also know what are the safety rules. Now let's get inside. See, we have the safety rule for kids. We should always follow the safety rules. Now, this is what we studied on the road. We always walk on the footpath. Never we must play on the road. We must never play on the road. We must always, there is a footpath. Footpath means where we can walk, okay? That's a safety path where no vehicle can come. So, on the footpath, we must always walk and we must not play on the road. And we always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Now, you can see some black and white lines on the road. So those are called the zebra crossing. And we must always cross the road through when the pedestrian light is green. Okay, at the bus stop when you're waiting, or in the school when you're waiting for your bus, always wait for your chance. Everyone will get inside the bus, okay, but don't push. You must always wait in a line, and whenever the bus is moving, don't try to get inside, okay, that can be very risky. Then at home, what you must take care, you should not play with the sharp things like knives, like scissors, don't play. Then you should not touch the electric switches with wet hands or the wires. And whenever you are stepping on the stairs, you must be very careful. Okay. Then, when you're going for swimming, never go alone for a swim. Always there must be an older person with you when you're going for swimming. So it's better, like they can help you. And when you're playing in a playground, always we must go to a park or a playground for playing. Okay, that will be always safe. And these are the symbols I've been talking about. So let's see. Can you see the first symbol? The first symbol means school ahead. The school is ahead. So the second one is no parking. No parking means there you cannot put your car. You cannot put your car, you cannot put the car parking. Okay? Then no horn. Now there are certain areas, now maybe near the maybe the holy places or the religious places, there are always said that no horn, please don't horn. Okay, so such signals will be there, so you are not allowed to horn over there. Okay, then the next symbol means that no entry. Sometimes only one way you can see the cars are going, that everyone is going in one way. From the other direction, car is not coming. What does that mean? That there is no entry. This is no entry line. Okay. Then this is the pedestrian crossing. Okay. The zebra crossing where the pedestrian can only walk. The person can only walk and go. That's a pedestrian crossing. And the next one again is very important. That is a railway crossing ahead. That means that the train will go from the front. So there's a railway crossing. So be careful when you'll be crossing. All right. So these are certain symbols. Now these signs are made to control the traffic and avoid accidents. So we should know what they stand for and we must follow them. All right. So this is all related to your chapter, kids. Here today we have studied about the safety rules, okay? What safety rules? We must know that on the road when we must not run or play on the road. We must always walk by the footpath. There is always a zebra crossing. You must look into that. And pedestrian light is green, we must go, okay? And whenever there is a bus stop, you must stand in a queue, wait for your chance to get inside. Never get inside a moving bus, or whenever there is a moving bus, don't put your hand outside. You must not do that, okay? That can lead to some serious accidents. And at home, always with sharp things, whatever is there, maybe it is any tools or is it any knife or scissors, you must always be very careful. You must not use it. You must not play with it. Then with wet hands, don't touch the plug or the electric switches or the wires. You must not put, you must always keep aside. And whenever you are walking on the stairs, you must be very careful. You must never play on the stairs, okay? Always take care of that. And whenever you are going for swimming, always remember you must not go alone. Someone must be there with you to assist you, all right? And when you're going for playing, always try to play in a park or a playground, all right? And then finally, we studied about the different types of symbols: school ahead, no parking, no horn, no entry, pedestrian crossing, and railway crossing ahead. Yes, kids. So that's all related to your chapter. So till then, take care and do read the chapter, and we'll meet soon.